Hi everybody, just want to give you a quick honest review of these two coffee makers for this or that. This is obviously the Keurig and this is the Jura. This will make different kinds of fancy drinks, lattes, espressos, all kinds of cappuccinos and all that stuff. And this is just basically just coffee, but what I like about this is you can make a single serve Keurig or a whole pot of coffee. This one, yes, you can make fancy drinks, but it's always gonna be just one serving. And the water pot for this one is this, kind of similar to the size of the Keurig. That's the size. And the water pot for this Keurig is this one. Woo. And it's about the same. I think the Jura has a little more capacity, but this, I mean, depending on what you like. If you like to have cappuccino or frappuccino every single day, one serving, this is perfect. If you like to have an option of like one serving of Keurig regular coffee, and if you have company or a big family, one pot, this is a great option. But we chose to have both because we like to have both kinds of coffee in different kinds of days. So, but just want to give you a quick close look of both, and both are really great products.